Today I speak not to the architects of Cape 3, but to its innocent and naive carriers, the ones who shout the loudest, defend the hardest, and yet know the least about where this project was truly conceived. I speak to those who were not part of the core that built the trusted political and security circle during ED's one-on-one discussion with Ramaphosa on Cape 3. Zanabina Mashoko, Budachungwachi Mchango and others, Cape 3 is not yours. From Precabe farm to the people, the truth about Cape 3. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Let us be honest with one another. The recent meeting at Precabe farm was not a routine gathering. It was a convergence of a tight inner circle. The real custodians of Cape 3. Those who were present are not just participants, but they are the originators. They are the ones who felt threatened by the 2013 constitution. They are the ones who quietly crafted a path to neutralize it. They are the ones who manufactured the narrative of a 2030 agenda and dressed it up as the will of the people. However, you, Chris Mutsvangwa, are the political members, central committee members, parliamentarians, who are veteran leaders, and many of you only learned of these developments through whispers, rumors, and the media. Ask yourself, how can you defend what you were never trusted to shape? Cape 3 is not yours. It was never yours. We have been mobilized, not empowered, deployed, not consulted, used, but trusted. The vehicles, the allowances, and the certain privileges, all these are not tokens of respect. They are instruments of compliance. They are investments made to secure your voice, your loyalty, and your silence when it matters most. Doma developments obuda pangwaide achiudziwa pana Mutsvangwa since history will repeat itself. We are going to be trashed. Now varuke vachiconvincai kuti muwasapoti, but soon panguva inoi kunyange muri kudeployiwa, muri kumobiliziwa, panguva ino muchishandisiwa, but you are going to be trashed. Ina comment section yedu za fungulo muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.